How to change your stand and please donate. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom stand just like this within Please Donate on Roblox. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like below or subscribing because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up Please Donate in Roblox and then walk up to a stand and claim it using the E button on our keyboard. Once you claim the stand, you'll then see your game passes or anything you're selling show up. From there, we can edit the text or change the look of our stand by walking up to our stand, selecting E again to edit it. In this box, we can change the text, and that will change the text. We can edit it again to change the look of our stand. And instead of typing text here, simply go up to the gear, select the gear, and then as you can see, we can change the booth model, and this will change the look of your stand. So different booths will be available based on how much you've donated within Please Donate. But if we scroll all the way to the right, you can see different booths that you've either purchased within Please Donate or earned within different games on Roblox. So all we need to do is select that. And as you can see, my booth will change to my new stand, which is the Make-A-Wish stand. And if you want to purchase different stands in Please Donate, all you need to do is find the shop within Please Donate, walk into it, and as you can see, they have all these different booths that you can purchase using gift bucks. And gift bucks are earned by either donating or receiving donations in Please Donate. So you would simply walk up to one of those, hold the E button to purchase it, then you can make that your new stand skin using the method that I just showed you. All right, so that's how you change your stand in Please Donate. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Please Donate tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.